It's me here, Mini Messy Gaming, and today I am doing an unpacking. I'm just unpacking this new HDMI lead to see how it works. So I'll make a little skill video out of it as well. My one broke, so I just got a colourful one. It's only £5 worth it. Yeah. So let me unpack it. Be back in a sec when I unpack it. Unpack it, guys. Look at this. Holy smooth surface. I just not want to do this. Fuck. There you go. Oh, I do bad videos and it'll look brilliant because it's kind of 3D HD. There's a little switch here where you can change it. So yeah, it's just long. Pretty good pattern as well. Glittery as well. Lovely little HDMI lead there. Take these off. Yeah, that's my unboxing. I'll review it good. And I'll be making a video soon of it. See ya. Fuck that. Yeah, I'm back. I plugged it in. I haven't tried it yet. It is on the PlayStation. See, my telly's a bit sideways a bit more. PlayStation is on, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'll try it now. See ya.